Khushboo. I'm having 12 plus of years of experience. Currently, I'm working as a senior consultant with Ernst and Young. I mostly provide my services to the different ministries. Currently, I'm working with Department of Food and Public Distribution. Prior to PGDM, I was also having a BTech in EC. Yeah, ma'am, it's awesome. Throughout the last 2 years, we were having a lot of challenges, a lot of learnings, how we handle the pressure, the work management, all these things which we learned in the last 2 years. It's an awesome thing. Ma'am, live classes were much interesting, where we used to interact with the faculties, our batchmates, because that was the only way where we can interact with each other, because it's on the online mode. In that particular, all faculties, BIMTECH faculties were great. So ma'am, I'll say from my perspective, as I was a full-time working professional where I was looking for a degree, that to a brand degree, and without hampering my work or taking a gap. So for those working professionals, such kind of degrees, such type of curriculum and the courses are great. They can get a degree, and it's not only about the degree or the brand. At the same time, they will learn a lot from this degree. How the curriculum is designed, they are going to learn a lot. So it will be a boon for the working professionals who wanted to get a higher degree, but because of some reason they don't want to take a gap. So for those professionals, they should consider BIMTECH and other courses provided by BIMTECH.